How to change chart time frames on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're using Binance and want to change the time frame for a trading chart, firstly open the Binance application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Markets. And once you open up the Markets tab, tap on one of the currency pair to open up the chart page. Once you're inside the chart page, go ahead and look for the time frame options from above of the chart. You'll see different options such as 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and so on. Just go ahead and select between the time frames that you want to use. The chart will refresh and display price movements based on your selected interval. Try different time frames to compare short-term and longer-term price movements. That's how you change the chart frame on Binance. You can switch between time frames whenever you want to get a better view of the market. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.